Hello dear friends. Today I will introduce you to the brand new Honda Amaze 3rd generation in detail. This vehicle brings a new breath to the SUV segment with both its design and advanced technological features. Now let's examine this vehicle together in every aspect, from design to equipment, from safety to performance, front design and profile. When we look at the exterior design of the new Honda AJ, we encounter a modern, powerful and sharp aesthetic. The glossy black front grille with honeycomb pattern brings elegance and sportiness together, while the Honda logo in the middle reflects the characteristic stance of the brand. The thick chrome strip on the top elegantly completes the design. There are major changes in the headlight design. The headlights supported by LED technology show that the DRLs located at the bottom in previous generations have been moved to the top in the new generation. LED fog lamps, air intakes designed with horizontal slits and completely black frames give the vehicle a modern and aerodynamic appearance. The 15-inch multi-spoke dual-tone alloy wheels add elegant dynamism to the vehicle. There are disc brakes at the front and a drum brake system at the rear. The side profile draws attention with the electrically adjustable and foldable side mirrors. The lane tracking cameras located under the mirrors project images onto the infotainment screen, especially when the left signal is given. This feature increases driving safety and somewhat compensates for the lack of a 360-degree camera system. Rear profile and trunk details. The rear design reflects the modern lines of the new generation. The integrated spoiler and neatly isolated trunk lid add both functionality and elegance to the design. The trunk area offers a large load capacity. However, 14-inch steel rims are used as a spare wheel. This may be a choice made to reduce weight and cost. The shark fin antenna on the top of the vehicle is a nice detail that completes the design. Interior and technology. The interior design of the new Honda AJ is quite impressive in terms of both aesthetics and functionality. The interior features dual-tone coatings and quality materials. The steering wheel on the driver's side has an ergonomic design. You can adjust the volume, answer and calls with the controls on it. The instrument panel has also been completely renewed. There is a tachometer on the left, a speedometer on the right and a MID screen in the middle. This screen clearly presents information such as travel information, average fuel consumption and safety warnings. You can also control features such as the road departure warning system, lane tracking assistant and collision avoidance system via the instrument panel. The infotainment system on the center console is also full of innovations. The high-resolution touchscreen can provide views of the rear-view camera from 3 different angles. Under this screen, there are physical buttons for fully automatic climate control. The wireless charging feature is offered as standard in the 3rd generation of the Honda AJ. In addition, 2 USB Type-A ports, a 12-volt accessory socket and 2 cup holders increase the functionality of the center console. When we move to the rear passenger side, the comfortable seating arrangement offered by the spacious interior draws attention. The wide legroom, high-quality seat upholstery and air conditioning vents offered for the rear passengers make long journeys enjoyable. Performance and safety. When we come to the engine features of the Honda AJ, we see that it is offered with both manual and automatic transmission options. There are 5 forward gears in the manual transmission and CVT technology in the automatic transmission. Among the safety equipment, there are 6 airbags, ABS, EBD and collision mitigation system offered as standard. In addition, lane tracking assistant, road departure warning and parking sensors are among the features that increase driving safety. Conclusion and general evaluation. The Honda AJ 3rd generation aims to make a difference in its segment with its modern design, advanced technology and increased safety features. The sporty details in its exterior design combine with the comfort and functionality in the interior, offering a vehicle suitable for both daily use and long journeys. If you are looking for a powerful SUV, the Honda AJ is definitely a model to consider. What do you think about this vehicle? Do you think its design, technology and features are sufficient? Don't forget to share your ideas with us in the comments.